Here's some interesting science. And it backs into something I just watched a couple days ago. I was actually in a residential area, and I'm driving along early in the morning, and there's a brand new fawn, hours old, and it's following a doe. And as soon as I get there, the fawn steps over behind a log and collapses, just falls right down. And it gets in the shade of this log, and that's where it was bedding. You see, there's some neat research just recently done in Texas on bedding cover for fawns. Let me tell you what they learned, because it'll help you. It'll help you understand how these fawns operate. As it turns out, they're just like us. They enjoy shade. Now you might wonder, how are you going to capture fawns and find out where they like to bed? Here's what they do. Biologists dart a doe, a pregnant doe, and put a transmitter in her birth canal that is expelled when the fawn is born. And when it's expelled, it transmits. The biologists can find the fawn, put a expandable collar, a mortality collar on it, and they can track it. Here's where fawns prefer to bed: to the southeast of a bush that casts shade. Why southeast? Because the sun rises in the southeast, and as it rises, it crosses over, and pretty soon that's the shady side of the bush. And so when you have a fawn bedded in the shade there, it's kind of a good place for it, both for hiding and for temperature control. How far from that bush? Averaged around 2 feet. Interesting stuff. Fawns, just like us, like to hang out in the shade. That's this week in the Whitetail Woods.